If you're searching for a Hostinger coupon code, this is the best deal available right now, and most people completely miss it. Hostinger is already offering up to 80% off on their hosting plans. That alone is a huge discount. But here's the part that makes this deal insane. When you use my link in the description, you unlock an extra 20% off on top of that existing discount. Yes, that means you're stacking discounts and getting one of the cheapest hosting deals possible online right now. And it doesn't stop there. You also get free extra months added to your plan, so you're paying less and getting more time. Plus, there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason, you can get a complete refund. No risk at all. So this is basically the lowest price, extra bonuses, and zero risk combined in one deal. Don't miss it. Click the first link in the description, apply the coupon automatically, and lock in your maximum discount right now.